Hariom dear students, hope you have seen the previous video. Now let's get into the next part of the lesson. So before getting into the lesson, let us have a brief revision of the previous part. That is, in the lesson, who did Patrick's homework? Patrick was a boy who never likes to do his homework, and he always used to play games like hockey, basketball and Nintendo, a video game. And all of a sudden one day he had found his cat was playing with a small doll, and he immediately went there and he grabbed it, and to his surprise it was not a doll but a man of a tiniest size. We can call him as a Lilliput or elf. And the little man was shouting, "Help me, save me, save me. If you save me, I will grant you a wish." So by that, immediately Patrick got an idea that yes, all my problems can be solved. So immediately he saved the little elf and asked little elf to do all his homework for the next 35 days, that is till the end of the semester. And very uninterestingly, and elf got very annoyed of that. He got very angry, but still, as he had given a promise, he agreed to stay with the boy Patrick till the end of the semester, that is 35 days, and to do the homework. And here Elf was trying to do homework, but human education was totally new to him, especially maths. He couldn't do it. This addition, subtractions, and everything were very new to him. And he always used to ask Patrick to help him to go to the library, get the books. You just sit with me and you'd read and tell me, and then I will do the homework. In this way, Patrick started helping Elf to do, and even if small word also, Patrick used to find in the dictionary and give the word and spell it meaning. In this way, Patrick was working more harder than the elf, and he was helping Elf to do his homework. So with this, we have ended the previous part. Now let us see what will happen further in the story. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, the little elf was a nag. That means here, actually, as this elf, he don't know anything about our education. He was becoming nag in the sense who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking to do something. Here elf, he is not doing it intentionally. He's always asking Patrick, you just get this book or that book, and I couldn't understand this, you just help me. In this way all the time elf started troubling Patrick and asking Patrick to do this, to do that, and in this way there was kind of a disturbance in doing homework in every day, and in every way this is happening, and elf couldn't do homework on his own, and he's troubling Patrick to do help and find some books and other things. So here Patrick was working harder than ever. Okay, so when elf couldn't do it on himself, so he asked Patrick to help, and he started working harder than ever. That means earlier he never used to work hard, but he started working more harder than before, and it was really becoming a drag to him. That means he couldn't do it well, and he was working more harder, and he was staying up in the nights. That means till late night. See here, the boy is working almost near to 12 o'clock. So till late night, this Patrick used to work hard, but he never felt weary. That means he never felt tired, and he started going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Puffed and blurry in the sense with a bulged eyes, because he had stayed up awake till the late night. That's why he couldn't have proper sleep. So in this way Patrick was working more harder than the elf, because elf had become a nag in the sense who troubles all the time, because he couldn't do the work on himself, and always he was asking assistance of Patrick here. And even Patrick was working harder, and it was almost like a drag, like something dull and uninteresting. See, here I have given the meaning of a drag. It was just like very dull and uninteresting, but still he stayed till late nights, and he started working harder. And because of that, he used to go to school with a puffed eyes, like bulged eyes, sleepily, because he couldn't have a proper sleep. So in this way, Patrick was working more harder than the elf, and finally the last day of the school arrived, and now elf was free to go because 35 days have been finished and it is the end of the semester. No homework, no assignment. So now elf is free to go. As for the homework, there is no more homework or no more assignment. So he quietly, slyly slipped out back door. That means very secretively, without telling to Patrick. 35 days finished and no homework, no assignments to do. So as he fulfilled his promise, what is the promise given by elf to Patrick? That he will stay for 35 more days and complete all his homework till the end of the semester. So the semester ended and 35 days finished and he had done all the homework. Now as there is no work, no homework to do, he slyly and quietly, that means very secretively, without telling a word to Patrick, he went away, slipped out in the sense, went away through the back door. At the end of the semester, to everyone's surprise, Patrick got all A's. A's in the sense all A grades. Everyone were shocked and amazed. Amazed in the sense very surprised, because all his classmates were very surprised, and the teachers also smiled and praised, full of praised him a lot. Yeah, it's very nice. It's so nice to hear that Patrick got very good marks, because he was the boy who never likes to do homework, who never likes to study, isn't it? But such kind of a boy, now he got all A grades in all the subjects. And to his parents, it was really a great wonder. And they wondered what had happened to Patrick. What's wrong with Patrick? Suddenly, how could he become so good and such a model kid? Now he was really a model kid in the sense the boy or the kid who does everything on himself or herself, and they never trouble parents or anyone. They do their homeworks, they do their regular chores. So in that way he became a model kid to see here, just like how the boy is doing himself all his works, not only studies, his regular household chores, everything, just like cleaned his room, cleaning his own room, and did his chores, and he became very cheerful, and he was never rude, and like he had developed a whole new attitude, like totally new behavior. So here Patrick got all A grades, and all the people, his parents, teachers, classmates, friends, everyone were shocked, and even they were very happy for Patrick. And not only in studies, even his regular behavior and his attitude was also totally changed, that he started doing he started cleaning his room, and he started doing his chores. Here chores in the sense the work which we do every day. Let us say you have to go to school and clean your room, and what do we call the work which we do every day is called a chore. And he was always cheerful, he was very happy, and he was never rude to anyone. And in that way he became a model kid, and he had totally developed a new attitude. Yeah, still at the end of the semester, still the Patrick was thinking that he had made the little man to do his homework. So what Patrick is thinking here? Patrick is thinking that he had made the little man to do his homework. See here, the Patrick still he is thinking in the same way, but actually I'll tell you one thing, children. Here it's a really a great secret here. It wasn't Elf who did Patrick's homework. That means Elf he didn't do Patrick's homework. Patrick he himself had done his homework. That means Elf made Patrick to work harder than ever, harder than earlier. Elf made Patrick to get all the books from the library and read all the books, find out the meanings of the new words, do additions, subtractions, fractions, divisions, everything by himself. And Elf didn't do his homework. In fact, he made Patrick to do his homework by himself. That's why Patrick got all A grades. Okay, children? Hope you have understood the lesson, children, both first part and second part. Now, let us discuss the question and answers of this lesson. Coming to the first question, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? So, Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a doll. But what was it really? It was really a little man. So what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? His cat was playing with a little doll, but it was not a little doll. It was a tiniest man, that is little man, Elf. Moving to the next question, what did the little man, why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? So why did he grant? Because the little man wanted to be saved from cat, isn't it? Cat was playing. We are thinking that cat was playing, but cat may create any problem to Elf, because as he was playing by catching Elf in its hand, isn't it? So as Elf needed help from Patrick, that he wanted himself to be saved from cat, Patrick was granted a wish by Elf. Hope you have understood it. And next, moving to the next question, what was Patrick's wish? Yeah, Patrick's wish was to do his homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days. That was the wish, na? Am I right? So till the end of the semester, he wanted his homework to be done by Elf. Then only he will save Elf. Am I right? Yeah. Moving to the next question. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Especially maths. Am I right? Especially in maths, in doing additions, subtractions, divisions and fractions. It was really a human history was really a mystery to them. So he couldn't do such kind of a homework. So he asked Patrick to help him. And next question, how did Patrick help? So Patrick went to library, he bought different books. In fact, he started reading more than Elf, and he started explaining Elf how to do, and he started searching the words in the dictionary, and he tried to spell it, pronounce it, and help Elf to do the homework. And moving to the next question, who do you think did Patrick homework, the little man or the Patrick himself? Give reasons for your answer. Yeah, who do you think, children, who did Patrick's homework? Elf or Patrick? Yes, it is not Elf who did Patrick, but Patrick, he himself had done all the homework, because Elf made Patrick to do. because Elf asked Patrick to get all the books from the dictionary, from the library, and read the books and help him to do homework. In that way, Patrick was working more harder than ever before, and even he was working harder than Elf to do homework. So in this way, Patrick did homework, not Elf. Hope you have understood the lesson, children. So in the previous part, I have given you some assignment that to write a paragraph about a topic which was given to you, that is, if you find a elf in your home, what will you do it? So do write that and submit it to me in the group or personally, and complete your classworks. Definitely we will assist you by giving the worksheet. Hari Om. Thank you.